Hi everyone, it's another Abiloader finished in Skoda Superb. It's a 2019 model. We just installed the Abiloader. Just want to show how it works. It's a Canadian wheelchair, motion composites, whatever it is, and Apex. Reasonably nice wheelchair, very light, quite popular in New Zealand already. So that's the delivery position. The driver should just disengage the wheelchair, lift it up, then the wheelchair can be rolled out. Then when they've done their business, they fold the backrest, roll the wheelchair back in, latch it. We normally do the latch in such a way that the latch could be pushed in, so it's not on the way when the wheelchair user can reach the narrow spaces. But when they want to lock it, latch it with Abiloader, they just pull it out, latch, and send it back in. So we send it back in. As soon as it gets inside, we'll see the red light, switch the Abiloader off, and the tailgate closing by itself. Thank you for watching.